We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and sometimes unclear related German words as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, in German, this is said as Gestapo, Gestapo. In English, however, this is usually said rather similarly as Gestapo. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the sta or the ta syllable. Gestapo. Pretty straightforward once you know. Both British and American pronunciations are rather similar on here, this word, as Gestapo. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.